we are going to be making white bread. We are going to start by putting our ingredients into our bread machine, starting with our water. Then our yeast. Then we're going to add our salt. And then our butter. And then our dry milk. Then we're going to add our flour. And then we can move on to our next step. Now, our next step is to close the bread machine and put it on, let's see, basic. Select basic, press start. And then we'll be back later to show you the finished product. Now, if some of the flour is sticking to the sides, just scrape it down for the bread machine to get. And yeah. This is our finished product.